This is Algebra 2. I want to graph this system of inequalities. So the first thing I'm going to do is put it in this format. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. And then I can graph these things. And then I think it's, is it less than? Yeah, less than 1, it means it's going to be a dotted line and below it, and greater than equal, -2 means it's going to be a solid line and above it. So I'm going to put this one in that format. I'm going to do y is less than -4x plus 1. And for this one, y greater than or equal to -x minus 2. The only time I flip this inequality is if I multiply or divide by a negative number, but I did not do that. So now I can graph this. You can either use the slope and y-intercept. On this one on top, the y-intercept is 1, and then it goes for every, it goes 4 to the left for every 1 over. But I can also just graph some points. I can do x, y, when x is 0. So 0 plus 1 is going to be 1 when x is 0, y is 1. When y is 0, x is 1/4. I just 0, I'm just going to do equal -4x plus 1. I subtract 1 from both sides. -1 equals -4x, and I divide both sides. Oh, yeah, 1/4. Divide both sides by -4, 1/4. So this one is about 1/4, somewhere there. And so that's what this one looks like. And again, it is a dotted line. I'm going to draw it by hand. And maybe when you can draw it, you can be a little bit more exact. I'm also going to plot where the two lines intersect, just so I have that accurately. So this says less than, so it's that, and then I'm going to shade beneath it, so I'll shade it vertically. And then this one, when x is 0, y is -2, so -1, -2. I'll do this one in red. How about that? It's not doing red yet. Okay. And then when y is 0, it's -0. Greater than or equal to -x minus 2. I add 2, -x, and then I'm going to divide by negative. So -2 is less than or equal to x. X is greater than or equal to -2. So x isn't -2, 0. Oh, I already did that one. I need y when x is 0. Y -2. When x is 0, y is greater than or equal to -0 minus 2. So it's -1, -2, and it goes like that. And then this one's a solid line. And if you're accurate, I can take these. -4x plus 1 equals -x minus 2. I'll add x to both sides. -3x equals, subtract 1 from both sides, and then divide both sides by -3x equals 1. So at x equals 1, those two things cross. So actually they should cross about there. My drawing isn't too accurate, but you can make yours more accurate. And then this one shades above. So actually, I'll just shade it in red, and you'll see the place where the solution is in this spot in between them, because that's where. And I've done it on Desmos here, and you can see there's the place, and there's the point where they intersect, 1, -3, and the shading is in between the two of them, below the dotted line, above and including the solid line. But that's how I graph a system of inequalities.